Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to time, our reason to enjoy good company and wine. Good evening to each and everyone. How are you doing, guys? Family and friends, make some noise! Mas malakas, mas masigla karon! Another enchanting event in the life of our birthday celebration that is coupled with a much more exciting program. Because for tonight, we're going to witness and celebrate the joyous, glamorous, beautiful birthday celebration for tonight with no less than Grace David. Palakpakan naman, Joanna! By the way, I would like to introduce myself. I am host Stanley at your service, and I want to welcome here at Majestic Hotel here in Fair. For sure, we'll have fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned, sit back and relax. May I request everyone to please all rise, because for tonight, calls for a grand celebration, and we are all gathered here not just to honor another year of life, but to celebrate a truly remarkable woman named Grace, who turns another year of happiness, no more struggles. For another year tonight, let's give it up for Miss Grace David on her grand entrance. Let's give her a big, big round of applause.
Good evening to everyone. A short message for everybody. Tonight, my heart is overflowing with joy and gratitude. I thank God for the gift of life and for bringing all of us together under the joy and grace of Christ, who unites us all. Thank you so much. May God bless all, and let's make this night unforgettable. Let's enjoy the party. It's not the first time my eyes are first to cross, and I just know there's just no getting on.
Ay, na-enjoy ano no? Para maging ganda yan na. Hey, happy birthday to you. Ang daming mag-creative. Hindi ako na-inform to. Uy, nawawa na ko yung participant. Close your eyes and make a wish. And blow the candle. Meron pang sa dito. Okay, narinig to blow! Ayun na talaga. Happy birthday, Grace!
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Hi, Ryan. Happy birthday. God bless your good heart and enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Mala! Happy birthday!
Share sinabihan mo, guys.
Take care all the time!
We love you. We miss you. See you soon. Bye.
So nice, Thomas and I would like to wish you a happy birthday. Since we are far from each other, we send you all the love and warmest wishes. We wish you good health and happiness always. Thank you for your unconditional love and just patience.
Ladies and gentlemen, wala pa kayo mamamay. Let's get it for the one and only Sir Dennis.
Happy birthday. Sana maging ang buwan sa buwan. Lalo lang kasi yan ang pangarap niya. Happy birthday.
Anong favorite color ni Ma'am Grace? Make a wild guess lang, wild guess. White ba? Tama ba? Tama ba? Oh my God, correct!
Si Ate Gracie kasi, si Ate Gracie, kahit hindi mo batiin, mapatiin ka niya, malayo pa lang, nakamitig na sa'yo yan. Yes. Yun po yan, si Ate Gracie. Serving community, yes.
Malapit ka sa answer mo. Oo. Thank you so much. Thank you, round of applause once again for our 3 nominees for our male category, which is the best in male attire. It goes this way. If you will be given the chance to change one part of your body, what is that and why?
Thank you for that beautiful question. Kung bibigyan po ako ng pagkakataon na palitan yung isang part ng katawan ko, yung ilong po. Ilong.
Bakit po? Okay na pigilan mo, matangos mo po.
Medyo po ako po.
Agree ba kayo doon? Medyo ano po? Hindi ba? Friends kayo? Tropa kayo? Ano mo siya kamahal? Kanina lang. Kanina lang? Nailab ka na sa kanya? Hindi. Gano'n mo siya nakilala? I mean, paano mo siya nakilala? Maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks pa lang. Malalim na yung samahan niyo? Malalim. Ano kalalim? Sinalim ng handaan. Alright, thank you so much, Rafael, our first nominee. Moving on in our next nominee. Sir, your good name is Leo. Leo. How do you feel for tonight po?
Okay.
Sir, anong paborito mong kulay? Bakit po itim?
Mababasa sa kulay ko tayo.
Pero gwapo ka naman sa itim, sir, di ba? Yun lang po. Mawala ng follow-up question. Dako naman tayo sa third nominee. Sir, ang pangalan nila? Joem. Joem. Parang may artist ako kilala, Joem pangalan. Joem? Joem Basco, no? Oh. Sir, in love ka ba? In love ka? O, tinamang tayo ng personal question. Sir, ganito, kung magiging prutas ka, ano ka at bakit?
Apple.
Bakit apple?
Apple of the eye.
Apple of the eye. Agree ba siya doon? Yung ano, minamahal niya, agree ba siya doon? Apple. Ni-reveal! Hindi pa ako nagsasabi kung sino pangalan, kung sino siya. Pero na-reveal niya yung self niya. Congratulations sa both of you. Apple of the eye for Jane. Anyway, we're gonna announce now our winner! Magkakaroon tayo ng audience impact para sa ating best in male attire for our male. Palakpakan para kay Joem! Palakpakan para kay Leo! Kunti lang, no? How about for ano? You got it right, ladies and gentlemen, our winner for the best male attire. Male category. Let's get up here. Sir Rafael, thank you so much for joining po. Ayun, no? Oh, di ba kalahin ko yun? Akalain niyo yun, may nanalo pa ng ano, trophy. Nagpunta ka dito nang wala. Ngayon may dala ka na pauwi. Congratulations to you. You deserve it. Oo. Okay, isang rampag down naman dyan. Magmula dito. Diretso, tapos balik ka. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for our best in male attire. Male category, let's get up for Sir Rafael. Ayun na nga talaga, guwapo naman ni Sir Rafael. No? Support yung talaga yung mga friends niya. Okay, once again, congratulations for our best in male attire. Our winner is Sir Rafael. Moving on with our best in female attire. Our best in female attire. Hindi na tayo masyadong mag-nominate kasi kulang na yung oras natin. Dahil nakapili ng ating mga judge ang ating best in female or best dress of the night. Female category goes to with no less than let's give her for Madel, the best friend, the one and only. Yung may tama kanina, ngayon mali na siya. Kanina nung una may tama, ngayon mali na siya. Masyadong nilulubog. But congratulations for Madel, ha? Deserve mo, promise. Promise. Kasi naka-backlist ka. Who's your bet? Who will be our star of the night for our female? Say it loud! Come on! Sino? 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 Ano ba? Gusto kayo hininga? Hininga kayo. Ano mga house kayo, mga house? Sino ang sarap kayo natin? Hindi ko naiingiran. Ang nakakulan sa gabing ito para sa ating star of the night female category is no other than let's give it up for Rose Gala. Deserve ko yung trophy na yan. Take a picture naman tayo. Star of the night male category goes to with no less than, and it's you. Come forward, David. You. Sino mag-aakala na mag-i-star ka? Pakibalik ako kung titigas ka. Anyway, congratulations to you, David. You! Bakit you? Hindi who?
You this.
Bakit you? Ano ka? Chinese ka?
Yes.
Bakit hindi na lang I love you?
Bakit may asawa?
Apat tayo ng asawa ko. Okay lang sa'yo, maging I love you, hindi na with you. Siyempre. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, congratulations for our winner, star of the night, male and female. Let's give it up for Sir Rose, Mama Rose, and Sir David. Join us for the photo. Gracias, thank you, Miss Grace David. Wishing you a day of filled with positivity, laughter, and the love of the people who matter most. May the year ahead bring you more blessings, strength, and the reasons to smile. Happy as a birthday to you once again, Grace David! Palakpakan naman dyan! A big round of applause once again for our glamorous, dazzling birthday celebrant for tonight, herself, Miss Grace David. So your thank you message, acknowledgement sa lahat ng mga bisitang nagsipunta ngayong gabi.
Okay, this is our show. This is our time. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for tonight. Thank you for all the friends, family, our host, our sponsors, our coordinator, our technician for music, the Jay to Yanni, and to Obed, and to
Walang iyakan!
Okay, thank you so much, and I prepared delicious food. Thank you for our special guest over there, and to all of us, Viva!
Happy round of applause Miss Grace David. Okay, Miss Grace David, may tanong tayo. Before we officially close our program, I would like to hear your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away.
Well, I can say that the energetic host and our MC, thank you so much. It's very amazing. And to all the guests I enjoyed, and to all of her appear tonight, and more appear coming events for her. Okay? So, Mr. Stanley, doing a hosting and MC, I just promoted it that he's a very energetic host. Okay, to everybody who wanted to have another party, let's give him a big applause. Thank you so much, Mr. Stanley. I'm so happy and I'm so very excited about your hosting. 100%. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause once again for our glamorous, dazzling British celebrity for tonight herself, Miss Grace David. Palakpakan naman dyan! Sabihin natin, mas malakas, mas masigla, happy birthday, Grace! Come on! What a truly wonderful and unforgettable evening! We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the participants who came for tonight a lovely event. We would like also to express our sincerest appreciation sa ating committee in charge. We have for our music coordinator, Sir William, Sir Jay, we also have Jopay. And for our beautiful decoration for tonight with our gold and black team, we have Sir Yanni. And for our guests who came for tonight a lovely event, bigyan nyo ng palakpakan ang iyong mga sarili. This has been your host for tonight, Host Stanley signing off. What an absolutely incredible night live here at Majestic Hotel. We're just ending the program, but definitely we're opening the dance floor for you for our after party. Maraming salamat po, and the next